Hey guys, today I'm going to go over WordPress user roles and kind of what they are and how they work. So there's a number of different roles that you can assign to users on your website. So you'll be the administrator, which has full control over the website. You've got an editor, that's going to be right under the administrator, and they have a lot of power as well, just not as much as the admin. Right underneath that, you're going to have the author. They can publish posts. They just can't edit them. You'll have a contributor who can write posts but can't post them. And then you'll have a subscriber, and they can only manage their profile. Now let's talk about an example in which you'd want to utilize these roles. So let's say you have a blog about cooking, for example, and you have different users who want to contribute recipes to this blog. That way they can share them with other people. It's a nice centralized place for people to come together, find new recipes. So let's say you give the role of contributor to somebody. So this person can write posts, they can come up with a new recipe, write it down, but they can't actually publish it to the blog itself. They can just write it, and then it's in review for the editor, and the editor can take a look at the recipe. They can look over the post, they can make any changes, and then they can publish it. So that'll give you peace of mind knowing that what is being posted to the website has been looked over by the editor. Now, if you have somebody who you really trust, you know that they're going to make great posts on their own, but you don't necessarily want them approving other people's posts, you can give them that author role. So this role will allow them to write their own posts, and they can publish their own posts, but they're not going to be able to edit anybody else's posts or approve anybody other posts. And then of course you're going to have that administrator role. They're going to be able to do everything that the editor can. They're going to be able to do everything that the author can. They can do everything on the website. So that's a really cool role to have for somebody who owns the site. Or you can give it to somebody else that you trust. That way they can do all the work that you can do, and they can manage the site as well, kind of lessen the load on yourself. So to actually add these, it's really simple. You're just going to log into your WordPress dashboard. You're going to click on User. You'll click on Add New. Then you're going to click on that username and click Edit. So at that point, you'll be able to navigate through the role options. You can choose, contributor, author, admin, whatever role you want to do from that drop-down menu. And then you're going to go ahead and select that, and you're going to save it. So now that person is going to have that new role that you assigned to them. And it's that simple. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial on user roles and how they can benefit your site.